Hi, my name is Linda. I'm here in Austin, Texas at VariZoom, and Steve is here with me to explain the Cinema Pro.
Hi, Linda. This is the Cinema Pro. It's a robotic motion control head that has fully recordable repeat pass moves. You can operate it really fast or really slow or really precisely.
Great. And what's the capacity of the camera that it holds?
You can put a 30-pound camera on it for the optimum performance. It is capable of handling a camera or payload up to 50 pounds. It can record and repeat 5 axes for movements: pan, tilt, zoom, focus, and iris.
Great. And can you show me that?
Yeah, it's really easy. I hit the record button here, and then it'll ask me if I want to override the take that's on there, which I do. And as soon as I hit the record button again, it'll start recording the moves for all 5 axes that are available. So if I want to make a pan move, and then tilt up here for following a bird or something like that. And that's the end of my move. I want to play it back, it'll return to its original start point. And I hit it again, and it'll repeat that exact same maneuver that I did over again.
And how many movements can it store?
It can store up to 2,000 different moves on there, or totaling 4,000 seconds.
And is it capable of time-lapse?
Yes, you can extend the move for however duration you want on there. You can stretch it out and it'll repeat it back over an hour, 2 hours, or even days if you need it to. It's got a built-in intervalometer.
What other camera control options are there available?
The Cinema Pro can control start-stop for the record for the majority of cameras out there. It's also can hook it up with Genlock when that's available.
And Steve, how does this compare to other systems available?
It does a lot more and costs a lot less than systems that cost twice as much.
What are some of the practical applications for the system?
It's great for sports broadcasting or auto racing. And you can use it in the studio with green screen applications. It's great for cinema. And there's a lot of applications out there. Pretty much any time you need remote camera control really fast or really precise.
And what options are there for controlling the system?
We have 3 options for that. A joystick. All the kits include a joystick. You can have pan, tilt, and zoom on the joystick. We also have hand wheels. For people that are used to cinema style, they really like this one. Got pan and tilt here. Or if you look over there, we have the junior model on a crane. It's hooked up to a pan bar option. People that are into broadcasting, they're really familiar with the pan bars. So yes, we can operate it wirelessly. We have these wireless modules. You put one here with the controller and the other one with the head, and you can operate it up to a quarter mile, and it'll have the equal performance. That's even without line of sight. You get line of sight, we've tested it up to a mile. Just give an example for how precise it could be. I'll use the hand wheel options. That's what I'm most comfortable with. And you can get extremely fast tracking movements, and it can pretty much stop on a dime if you needed to. And also, if I were to dial the speed down on there, you can get. If you can look at this here, it's really precise, slow movements. I can even change the setting here. If I want to have a really slow pan, I can turn the speed down. And I can basically just crank on the hand wheel here, and it'll go extremely slow. Like if you're zoomed in really far, it can be a really nice smooth movement. You can have full control over it.
Well, thank you, Steve. We appreciate you being here today to give us all the information.
You're very welcome, Linda. And if anybody has any questions, you can always give us a call or check us out at VariZoom.com.